let's get ready to go to dinner. I am dressing up tonight. Starting with my concealer, this is the La Prairie. Working with just a few clean brushes. I know I always complain about not having clean brushes, but have them in this bag. Just like collect them. Prep my lips with the Persona Clear Day Mask. Haus Labs foundation. It's definitely worth the hype. It's a really, really nice foundation. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Dune and I'm just gonna bronze my skin with this. This brush is making it a little bit harder to apply because it's such a small little brush, but we're working with what we got. It's just added so much color. Looking super glowy and healthy. I'm going in with Kiss today. I'm in the holiday spirit, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the apples of my cheeks, giving me holiday vibes for sure. I'm actually gonna apply this on my lips as well, just over the Clear Day Mask. I'm gonna go in with this Charlotte Tilbury lip liner and line my lips. I was not planning on this, but I guess we're wearing a red lip tonight. This look is not giving right now. I might just start all over again. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my brown liner. This is the Persona brown liner. Brushing the brows with Swipe Up in Warm Brown. Brows just make everything kind of come together, so I'm not hating the lip as much. I think I want to make the lip a little bit less like perfect looking, you know? More worn in. I was going for more of like a worn in red, so this looks a lot better, so I just basically blotted it. I'm gonna top it with pomegranate just to darken it a bit. I definitely like this a little more, just like very effortless. I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of the Persona Terracotta blush just because I feel like it lifts. This is the finished look. Very natural on the eyes. Since we have a pop of color on the lips, let me know what you think.